Hi everyone, welcome back to Gayatri English Medium School. Let us start our science class. In our previous class, we have learnt about excretion and excretory system and parts of the excretory system. In this class, we are going to learn about process of the excretory system, importance of the excretory system, and about kidney stones. As the blood travels throughout the body, it collects more and more waste. The kidneys work like a filter. When the blood enters the kidneys, they filter the blood which passes through them. It takes about 45 minutes for the kidney to purify all the blood in our body. Kidneys work throughout the day. Kidneys send all the waste to the bladder through the ureters in the form of urine. The urinary bladder stores this urine. When the bladder is almost half full, we feel like peeing. During peeing, the urine from the bladder is thrown out through the urethra. In this way, liquid waste is removed from the blood and thrown out of our body as urine. Organs like the skin and lungs are also involved in throwing out waste. Let us see how this happens. Excretion through skin. Skin is the largest excretory organ in our body. The liquid waste from our body is thrown out in the form of sweat. It is made up of extra water and salts from our body. Sweat cools our body. Excretion through lungs. We breathe in and out with the help of our lungs. During breathing, the lungs absorb the oxygen from the air. At the same time, carbon dioxide is thrown out of the body from the lungs as waste. Children, can you guess what will happen if our excretory system does not work properly? If our excretory system does not work properly, the liquid waste collect inside the body may leads to swelling of legs, swelling of hands and face. If our kidneys don't work properly, we may feel tired and we may start vomiting. How can we take care of the excretory system? Taking of fruits and vegetables that helps to keep our kidneys healthy. We should bath regularly to take care of our skin. We must do breathing exercises to keep the lungs healthy. We must protect our lungs from dust and smoke by wearing a mask when we go outside. Children, have you heard about kidney stones? Kidney stones are the solid pieces of salts and minerals. They formed inside the kidneys. These are vary in size. When they are small in size, like a grain of salt or sugar, they do not cause any problem. They come out of the body along with the urine. But when they are of the size of a pea, they block the ureter. This causes pain. Children, how do kidney stones develop in kidneys? Kidney stones are formed due to excess salts and minerals in the urine. This may happen if we do not drink enough water. So, we should drink plenty of water to avoid the formation of kidney stones. Thank you.